with who influenced you? Or dati mo ba naisip?
Switch. Ganda ng mga tanong. Never ko naisip na maging director talaga kasi alam ko iba siya. Ibang animal, kumbaga, ibang craft, it's something that I did not really aspire to be, but at the same time, nung bata ko, I didn't really aspire to be an actor. Wala talaga yan sa ano ko, sa...
Basketball ang gusto mo?
Yes, basketball or papasok mo sa militar. Nasa dalawa lang yun. But of course, when an opportunity so good is handed to you, and it was handed to me 19 years naman in my career. So ako naman, wala naman ako film school na attendant, but I'm a very observant person, and I listen to the directors and I see them how they work for the past 19 years. Not saying na nandun ako sa level nila, I have so much to learn, but itong first step talagang mas tumaas ko yung respeto ko sa kanila because it's not an easy job. Mahirap siya. You are the captain of the ship. Ikaw yung leader. May pressure ka from the production, of course, kasi we're working with limited time.
Right.
Minsan yung location, minsan yung artista. So, when you put all of that together and the director has to produce something na at least quality sana, it's very hard. But I enjoyed my experience. Ang dami ko pong natutunan and I've learned a lot through this whole process at sobrang thankful ako.
Yung next part ng question niya is, ano yung mas nagustuhan mo o mas mahirap, umarte o mag-direct?
Sabay ko ginawa sa 2 or 3 araw na yun. Sabay ko ginawa, kaya mahirap talaga. Isa sa mga gusto ko mangyari, gusto ko po makapag-direct in the future, but hindi na ako yung artista. I would like to do that kasi parang syempre gusto ko rin i-test yung sarili ko. But they're different, mahirap. Kumbaga siguro para sa isang director, sasabihin ng director parang hindi ko forte umarte or parang mahirap din yan. Ganun din kapag yung actor may papasok sa directing chair. It's hard. Mag-iiba sila. Hindi porket magaling kang marunong kang umarte or magaling kang umarte, kaya mong mag-direct. Two different things. But I think what I do have na natutunan ko sa mga magulang ko from nanay ko and from my dad, I think just being a natural leader, not for your ego, but to bring the team or to lead them, the cameraman. Everybody has their own specialties. Yung writers, producers, cameramen, everyone. And I think I have a talent of bringing that together in something good. So yun lang yung tingin ko meron ako. But everything else, I believe will follow. And parang naman ako sponge. Okay, so I love to learn.
And yung other question niya, who influenced you now?
Who influenced me to direct? Wala naman kasi nga it was really a spur of the moment, para medyo biglaan. But I do have mentors. Of course, the director Rod Bayan has always been a mentor to me. And ang dami ko natutunan with my limited time with FMR. And just sabi nga doon sa ibang cast, like there was so much that we learned from him and we keep learning from. So alam ko sa sarili ko, I can't speak for the others, pero dala-dala ko yan. Kahit hindi ko siya kasama. And just like dala-dala ko rin yung mga natutunan ko from other directors, like yung director Rod Bayan, alam ko moving forward, direct FMR brought me to another level. Again, tulad na sinabi ko niya, di dahil sa support na binigay nila, dinalo pa nila ako, as I said, and it really it boosted my confidence para mag-produce ng maganda na produkto.
Thanks.
If I will compare yung last time that was like 12 years ago, so nakita ko talaga yung laki ng parang nag-evolve si Gerald. So kung gaano siya ka-passionate before, kung gaano siya ka-makatbang before, nandun pa rin lagi yan. So mas masarap i-welcome kasi daming PTs ngayon. So on our part, on my part, mas naging masarap, mas naging fluid yung work kasi collaborative, ang daming ideas. So I'm grateful and very honored.
Direct with Joy, sino ba yung mga usually nag-direct ng mga cast?
Parang lahat.
Lahat din?
By now kasi parang nag-iikutan din naman mga locations and everything.
Right.
So parang Yeah, lahat. Working with Gerald is kung paano minention ni Direk Abel, no? Si Gerald now always wants to be on spot. Kumbaga parang, Direk, ano ba yung, maraming before we actually take the scene, parang he really wants to, gusto niyang itono yung character. So mag-uusap pa kami niya na magtatanong. So, Direk, bakit ganito? Paano to? Bakit? At saan to pupunta?
Right.
So pag-usapan namin, para ma-fine-tune niya talaga yung
Masapul talaga yan.
yes, what he really needs to deliver.
Right.
Kita niyo naman. So yun, that's my experience with Jer. With other cast naman, they're very collaborative. Same with the other cast. If there's something they're not sure about, they ask. And we discuss it so that we come up with a very, more effective, mas eksena, kumbaga may ilabas yung character talaga kung ano yung truth niya, parang
Tama.
so we can deliver the story much better. So,
Direk FM, how was it working with Gerald and the cast for the series?
It's my first time to work with Jen. And parang wala akong ganung malalim na pinagsamahan kaya ng kay Direk Abel. But what I see in him is he's very generous. Pag binigyan mo ng konsepto, he will work more and contribute more. Kahit hindi pa siya nung mag-direct, lalapit sa iyo yan, makikipag-discuss sa iyo. This is interesting. Ako naman, bilang director, pag nagbigyan ng instruction sa kanya, he takes deeply yung instruction at pag binagsak na niya yung emotion. Kasi medyo matuto ako sa characterization. Kaya tinitingnan ko yung katrabaho ko brilliant enough to get all the instructions. And I'm impressed. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, bakit na tayo nagkatrabaho? Exciting na sana marami na tayong nagawa pa. Tapos, I guess that kind of attitude makes it easier to work with him. Kasi, alam mo, hindi naman kilala inyo, marami nila mga whiners. So, parang
Sino? Charot lang.
Yung akala mo they owe you, that the production owe you big time. Ngayon. Pero, you never feel that kind of pressure sa kanya. In fact, gusto ko lang isipin na good leader eh. I don't like to think, ayokong isipin na dahil siya yung leader. Alam mo yan, he helps pull everybody together.
Right.
Kasi yung kabutihang loob, mahirap ang plastikin yun.
Innate dapat yun, Direk.
Hindi yan, hindi sa'yo, tapos ang kaligot mo wala. But that's one thing I observe about him. I think there's genuine kindness in his heart. Kaya, I think it shows sa trabaho.
I have a last question.
Maraming mga computer word, yung computer lingo, na parang, paano nila sasakyan? Pag hindi mo pinaliwanag, hindi matutugay yung kwento.
Tama.
But the pressing issue is, it's one of the biggest sickness that's destroying a lot of our
Families.
countrymen's lives. Yung namamag-asa na kikita ng konti would either invest or gamble on it and they lose everything. Hindi naman kaila sa inyo sa araw-araw tingin kayo sa social media, yan ang nakalungkot, no? Good if it were a fair game. May chance talaga na makaahon.
Tama.
But the sad part is, isa siyang malaking lokohan. And while it's a high concept, JRD Productions was brave enough to gamble on it. Now, the gracious thing is, you see, ang hirap ngayon humanap ng consistent na viewership.
That's true.
With the advent of different platforms, hindi ka makakuha ng loyal viewership from free TV to whether in YouTube or what. Kasi kaya din ang manood kahit anong oras. And the nicer part is, in the middle of the show, in its run, and as we end our first book. It's enjoying a very good position in some OTTs where it's considered number one. So I think the creative team was very successful in writing and making it more understandable for people.
Saka,